Meaning of exhumation.
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 Exhumation. Exhumation refers to the act of digging up a body that has been buried. This can be done for various reasons, such as to perform an autopsy, to move the body to a different location, or to investigate a crime. The result of exhumation can vary depending on the purpose of the digging. In some cases, it can provide valuable information that was previously unknown or solve a mystery surrounding the death. However, it can also be a traumatic and emotional experience for family members and loved ones.